Hello, I'm Eric from Bosch, and today it's all about BITURBO. So what does BITURBO mean? Well, as the name suggests, there are two key elements. Our best battery, the ProCore 18V, in conjunction with our best motor. So the combination of these two key elements will provide revolutionary performance and really turbocharge your working day. These all-new motors provide up to 1800 watts of power. This is corded power tool domain without the cord. But how do we supply enough energy to support these super powerful motors? By using the 8 amp hour and 12 amp hour ProCore batteries, which provide up to 1800 watts to unleash the full performance of the BITURBO tools for those challenging tasks in the workplace. It's not just about the power. BITURBO tools are lightweight and easy to handle, keeping you in total control. With just one ProCore 18-volt battery, our BITURBO tools perform as well as some competitors who use 2 batteries. As part of the Bosch professional 18-volt system, for best charging times, I'd recommend using this all-new connected 16-amp charger for ProCore batteries. But please remember, there's 100% compatibility of these batteries with all existing 18-volt professional chargers like this one. Speaking of compatibility, on a BITURBO tool like this Max Hammer, keep in mind that we can use a standard cool pack battery like this 4 amp hour. It slides on, it works, but of course you won't get the full power, but it works, it's compatible. So what is BITURBO all about? Well, it's the next generation of new, high-performance cordless power tools from Bosch, bringing corded performance into the workplace just without the cord. That's it for the first episode of All About. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you'd like to see more videos, click here. And if you'd like to subscribe, click here. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.